Frank Hack, master electrician and a developer of CleanVolt technology, learn how to get the full intended lifespan out of all your electrical systems.
What do we do to cost effectively protect our system from energy surges at the same time improving power quality? When our unit expires, it blows open, but what it does is it hangs on long enough so that the energy surge can be seen climbing on your main overcurrent device, allowing your main overcurrent device to see its overcapacity and shut down, just like that lightning arrestor and the cutout on the transformer. Because what happens is, as a surge event, catastrophic surge event is coming in, it's going to pass through this main overcurrent device. A CleanVolt in the system now becomes the least path of resistance when it comes to energy surges. All those energy surges gravitate to the CleanVolt. So you would think that the surge would travel up there. No, it's traveling straight down to the CleanVolt. So the CleanVolt is shunting all that energy into itself. And if it's a lightning type surge event, then it opens up like a shunt and drives it to the neutral ground. That's why it's good to have a well-bonded neutral system. Allowing this to reach its maximum, and it literally turns it off. The surge is no longer coming into your building. Everybody says, well, it turns off the system. Well, isn't it better to have a system shut down that you can turn back on again? This is where we started our protection. This is what CleanVolt was designed for, is protect the electrical system like the secondary surge arresters, the lightning arresters did on power poles, to give the system a chance to shut down. That's the first line of defense. CleanVolt, because it has no fusing. CleanVolt, because of its seamless carbon silicon carbide technology. And if you look at the periodic table, gentlemen, carbon is at this end, silicon is in this end. Two of the hardest components on the planet, opposite ends. We've married the two together and made it seamless. All those small current surges, which are affecting the top part of the waveform, are now being gleaned off. Now everything has a chance to settle down. It's just like the foundation on your buildings. If you don't have a good foundation, that building is not going to last. So it doesn't matter whatever corrective measures you put into the system, unless it's properly protected to do the job they're designed to do, they're not going to be effective. CleanVolt is the foundation of any good power quality management system, period. Case in point, in the year 2000, the Greater Toronto Airport Authority, their nerve center, 11 floors. Each floor had 200 amp service feeding all their computerized equipment and whatnot. And they had a huge, huge harmonic problem. And they finally got a hold of us through some chain of command. And once again, in those days, CleanVolt was going into the worst case scenario. We were always called up when everything didn't work. We put in, on each panel, each 200 amp panel, we put in one of these guys. It reduced their harmonics by 18%. Problem solved. Big savings, and they're still working today. That's the kind of protection CleanVolt affords you.